Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Microsoft. The report was first published on our website Friday, August 26, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Microsoft? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 26, 2022, our system ranks the Microsoft stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.838. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Microsoft, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for Microsoft as stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Microsoft stock price fell by -3.86% on the last day, Friday, August 26, 2022, from $278.85 to $268.09. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.61% from a day low at $267.98 to a day high of $280.34. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -8.16% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 10 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 28 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.38 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $349.67, and the lowest price was $241.51. Right now the price is 23.33%, or $81.58, below 52-week high at $349.67, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the lower part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $264.89 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 9.98% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 8.67% and 22%. The 12-month trend indicates a -16.72% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -28.59% and -7.60%. This equals a price between $191.45 and $247.71 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Microsoft stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Microsoft stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Microsoft. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Microsoft stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $279.03 and $273.80. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -8.65%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average Convergence Divergence, MSFT. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Microsoft. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $251.90 and $247.65. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Microsoft finds support just below today's level at $251.90. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $247.65 and $242.26. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $12.36, 4.61%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.03%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Microsoft. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Microsoft currently has a price-earning ratio of 27.78. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Microsoft meets first resistance at $268.74. If you do not hold Microsoft shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Microsoft finds first level of support at $251.90, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Microsoft is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 15, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside sell of 177,469 of common stock. On June 14, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside buy of 116 of common stock. On June 9, 2022, Warrior Padmashri made an inside buy of 9,235 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thomson John Wendell made an inside buy of 95,425 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thomson John Wendell made an inside buy of 61,569 of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -90.502. In total, the insiders bought 16,522,121 and sold 926,244,511 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Microsoft stock a buy? The Microsoft stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Microsoft will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 29th, we expect Microsoft to open up $4.05 and start trading at $272.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.